American troops on board a landing craft heading for the beaches at Oran in Algeria during Operation Torch in November 1942. Real members of the Peaky Blinders, street gang based in Birmingham, England that was active in the late 1800s to 1910s. Left to right, Harry Fowles, Ernest Haynes, Stephen McNichol, Thomas Gilbert. Future King George VI and his daughter Princess Elizabeth. Future Queen Elizabeth II. Sitting on a bench with their corgi dogs in London, England in July 1936. Elizabeth II died today, September 8, 2022 at the age of 96 after over 70 years on the throne. She is the longest reigning British monarch ever and the second longest reigning monarch of a sovereign state in history. Double-leg amputee railway signalman James Wide, photographed working alongside his pet and assistant Jack Baboon in Cape Town during the 1880s. James Wide purchased a Chacma baboon in 1881 and trained him to push his wheelchair and to operate the railway signals under supervision. Italian partisan Stefano Candela, known as Iolo, photographed in a village in Piedmont, a region of Italy that borders France and Switzerland. Photograph taken in October 1944. U.S. 17th Airborne paratroopers, with their hair cut in Mohawk style, being briefed for the next day's jump across the Rhine, Arras, France. Photograph taken on the March 23, 1945. A Navajo man photographed in c. 1904 dressed as Neanezgani, a mythical hero from Navajo mythology who, along with his brother Tobad Ziskini, rid the world of the Ane, monsters from Navajo mythology. Photograph taken by Edward S. Curtis in Navajo Nation. The mugshot of Josep Broz Tito, president of Yugoslavia from 1953 to 1980, photographed in 1928 when he was arrested for communist activities. French painter Claude Monet photographed in his garden in Giverny, France in 1899. Mexican revolutionary leaders Pancho Villa and Emiliano Zapata sitting next to each other at Palacio Nacional in Mexico City, Mexico on the December 6, 1914. Villa is sitting in the presidential chair. A street in the city of Segovia in Spain photographed in c. 1904. In the background, you can see the famous Roman aqueduct of Segovia, which is believed to have been constructed between the 1st and 2nd century AD. This photo was taken by German-American photographer Arnold Gent during his travels around Europe at the beginning of the 20th century.